Almost every website you visit is asking you to accept cookies. And what exactly are you agreeing to? Because you don't see cookies at your doors, right? Cookies are not the ones you eat. They are tiny files that a website saves on your device when you visit. But wait, why are they even called cookies? The name actually comes from an old computer concept called the magic cookie. It was a small packet of data that a program would send out and receive back unchanged. Programmers in the early days of the internet borrowed that idea and then the name stuck. Some people also say it was inspired by a fortune cookie, a cookie that has a small piece of information hidden inside. And to be honest, it's a perfect description for what the browser cookie does. So here's how it actually works. Imagine you walk into a shop and the shop notices you and he writes down the colors of the things that you picked. Let's say you bought like 3 shoes and all the shoes you picked were size 40 and the color was blue. So the shopkeeper notes this down and then keeps it aside. The next time you come back to that store, the storekeeper already know what you like. That's exactly what a cookie does, but this time with a website. When you visit a website and you accept cookie, it saves small notes about you. What you clicked, what you searched, whether you were logged in. That's why when you add something to your cart and closes the app, when you come back there, you still see it there. That cookie is working. Now, there are different types of cookies. Some are important to keep you logged in, while others track your behaviors across multiple websites to show you targeted ads. That's why after you search cheap flights to London on Google, or you search for shoes or earphones, the next thing you see is that every app starts showing you shoes. That is cookie at work. So when a website asks you to accept cookie and you click yes or accept, you're giving it a permission to remember you, and all these things that I said is likely to happen. Follow for more Tech Explained.